Welcome to Wheels and Wings, the channel where luxury meets performance and innovation takes the front seat. Today we're diving into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA, a sleek and stylish compact luxury sedan that blends elegance with cutting-edge technology and efficiency. The new CLA continues to appeal to younger buyers and those looking for an entry point into the Mercedes-Benz experience without compromising on premium feel or driving dynamics. The exterior of the 2026 CLA showcases a refreshed design that feels more aggressive yet refined. A redesigned front grille with the new Mercedes-Benz star pattern, slimmer LED headlights, and sharper aerodynamic lines give the CLA a more modern and athletic appearance. The coupe-like silhouette is still very much present, giving it a sporty edge that sets it apart in its class. Available in new color options and wheel designs, the car looks bold from every angle. Under the hood, the CLA lineup includes multiple engine choices depending on the market, with turbocharged 4-cylinder options leading the way. The mild hybrid system with a 48-volt setup improves both performance and fuel efficiency, providing smoother start-stop functionality and a slight power boost when needed. The 2026 CLA 250 variant offers a balanced mix of power and economy, while AMG variants push the performance envelope even further for enthusiasts seeking extra thrill. Inside the cabin, Mercedes continues its commitment to luxury and technology. The 2026 CLA features updated upholstery materials, ambient lighting, and a cleaner dashboard design. The twin-screen MBUX setup now includes larger displays, faster response times, and smarter voice controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an improved sound system and customizable driving modes. Cabin space remains comfortable for a compact sedan, especially for front passengers, with clever storage and a well-organized center console. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the new CLA is equipped with the latest suite of features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. These updates not only add convenience but also boost confidence behind the wheel whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA continues to evolve with a stronger focus on design, performance, and connectivity. It's a car that knows how to balance sportiness with sophistication, making it an ideal choice for those who want luxury without going overboard. With its refined look and intelligent updates, the CLA keeps its position strong in the premium compact segment. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep up with the latest reviews, updates, and features on luxury and performance vehicles, don't forget to subscribe to Wheels and Wings.